Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA, and I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And before I start on the question, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So without wasting any further time, let's get started on the question we have. And just move around and let me see. The question today I'm having is, I'm running a campaign for a financial planning company in Australia. So it's a financial planning company in Australia. Okay, I'm just repeating to get in my mind as well. I've been extensively adding negative keywords, many of which are for other company business names. Yeah, it's a good strategy. Someone asking me that should I advertise on my competitor brand names or not. So I strictly recommended them. It's not a good idea because the brand intent, the keyword intent, the user mind intent behind the searching is because the customers have already decided for that particular brand. So it's a very, very, very rare chance that they are going to even offer you. They can correct, but they are not going to offer you. So it's a complete wastage of money as per my experience. So yeah, that's a very good strategy that you are doing it. So now, as we know, Google use semantic keywords. Yeah, semantic means similarity, similarly broad, to trigger ads. Yeah, that happens. When you're using face match specifically. So I added a competitor name as a negative keyword. The company is called Well Financial. I added, okay. I want to know if Google uses semantic or negative keyword as a potential client could use the word health and financial or words with similar meaning together to find my client business. But maybe we would lose clicks by having these as negative keyword. We would specifically added this as a negative few days ago because the client had 3 calls last week from people looking for this company. Okay, just to make sure that this is not the right way to even add negative keywords. This is for adding phrase match, and these brackets are for adding exact match. So you are adding keywords, not doing. So in case if you are going to have a negative keyword, so you can do this one. Put this dash mark behind the keyword. Okay. Now if you add dash with this keyword, now what's going to happen is that if there is any other keyword and it has a wealth or financial word, it won't be affected with it. So you can add this keyword without any issue, but in this right way. This is a, if you add this way, Google will trigger, Google will show ads on these keywords for your client. So the best strategy is to add this one dash before the keyword, and if the keyword is fully added, even if the part of it is being separately shown with another keyword, then your ad will be shown. So you can be easy and relaxed with this, that it won't hurdle down in generating new leads. It will only, your ad will only not to be shown when competitive keyword is being searched on. So I hope it answers your query and question regarding negative keywords. So in case if you need me or my team services regarding Google Ads management, Facebook ads, Bing ads, or SEO services, you are more than welcome to hire us, even for web development. The links are in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.